Hello friends, I hope you're quite well. Today I have some music YouTube cover or banner you can adjust in your music channel, and here is 4 templates. So first I drag this to Photoshop, and you see here these files are full editable. You see in layer area you can edit one by one. Music channel, oh sorry, you see here you can write your own text or import your own photo. You can change background and change color, depend your own choice. Wow, here is replace your photo. You can import your own photo here, and here is a shape of designs like social media, so you can change color. Import your own choice or on your photo. For example, you import your own PNG photo. For example, I have no photo about music related, so need PNG and flip. I tell you just for example. Enter, right click, create clipping mask. You see, depend on your own choice. You can write your URL or your channel name, and last is just import your own photo, and you can change color. Wow, bevel, contour, you see the color, bevel, drop shadow, you see here. So you can edit it very easy. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.